The psychology of gold investing, why we buy when we should sell. Gold has fascinated humans for thousands of years. It is more than just a metal, it represents wealth, security, and stability. But why do people invest in gold? The answer lies in psychology. Gold appeals to our emotions, the idea of scarcity, and the need for financial security. Understanding these factors can help investors make better decisions. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. 1. Why gold matters. Gold is valued across all cultures and time periods. Unlike paper money or digital assets, gold has intrinsic value, meaning it remains valuable no matter what. Its appeal comes from historical significance, used in money, jewelry, and art. Physical durability, gold does not corrode or degrade. Trust and stability, it holds value even in economic downturns. 2. The psychology of scarcity. Gold is rare, and scarcity makes it more desirable. Unlike fiat currency, which can be printed, gold is limited. This makes it a powerful asset because it provides security in uncertain times. It satisfies the human need to own something exclusive. It retains value, even during financial crises. 3. The emotional appeal of gold. Gold is known as a safe haven in tough times. When markets crash, investors turn to gold because it provides emotional comfort during uncertainty. It offers a sense of control over financial futures. It is trusted more than stocks or bonds in crises. 4. Gold in investment portfolios. Gold is not just sentimental, it's a smart investment. It helps diversify portfolios by reducing risk. Hedge against inflation when money loses value. Protect wealth during global instability. 5. Gold beyond investing. Gold is used in more than finance. It plays a role in culture, used in crowns, jewelry, and art. Technology, used in electronics and medicine. Symbolism, represents power, luxury, and security. Gold is more than an investment, it's a psychological phenomenon. It appeals to our need for security, trust, and stability. Whether for financial gain or peace of mind, gold remains a powerful asset in an unpredictable world. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.